1 Kilo Papa India 092. Attention Scotland.
108 Alpha Tango 077 108 Alpha Tango 077 QRZ.
1 Kilo Papa India 092.
1 Kilo Papa India 092. Good afternoon from Scotland, my friend. Yourself?
Yes, my friend, very nice. Good afternoon, but you in Sicily Island, Volcano Etna Schlops. My name is Igor, India Golf Oscar Radio. Your report is 5-5.
Yes, thank you, Igor. Thank you very much for coming back to my call. You're 5 and 9 in Scotland, 5 and 9 here. My call is 108 Alpha Tango 077, and my operator name is Kevin. Kilo, Kilo, Echo, Echo, Victor, Victor, India, India, November, November, Kevin. And I'm located near the city Edinburgh, Edinburgh, the capital city, Igor. Yourself?
Yes, Edinburgh, Kevin. I remember you. My hex Colson is 1 Alpha Tango 702. I don't remember. Okay, my friend. Very nice, long time. My conditions today is Tango Sierra 440 as Sierra and the vertical antenna Sirio 2016. My friend, back to you.
Igor, well, you have good working conditions, doing a fine job, Igor. Good working conditions. I'm using directional antenna here, 4-element, horizontal, directional, and my transceiver is Yesu, Fox Tango, Delta X-ray.